Yeah, right, lads. Does it seem like you're the only person who gets fucked over by car insurance quotes when your mate pays pennies for something 3 times as fast? Well, I am also that person, so we're going over all the factors which influence insurance prices. Gender and age. This seems to be an easy answer, right? Young males pay more as society sees us as the accident causer, but I think all of us lads will have a different idea of who that actually is. Now, although that is true, young males do pay more, but this does reverse as time goes on. It is more likely that an older woman will pay more due to the fact that they are more likely to be involved in minor accidents. Marital status. However stupid this may seem, married people pay less on their car insurance than single people, especially for men. Although I still have no idea where they get the facts to back this up, but has there ever been such a good excuse to pop the question? Where you live. This comes down to many factors, not just how rough your neighbourhood is. More densely populated areas will have higher insurance prices due to the higher risk of accidents due to collisions. Insurance companies also check the prices of garages in the area for an average repair cost, thus affecting a premium price. The most expensive place in Britain for car insurance is in the Manchester postcode M13, and the cheapest in the UK is down south in the Cornwall postcode TR1. Profession. Bad luck for journalists. It is believed that jobs including journalism and delivery drivers pay more for their premiums because of the fact they are constantly on the road, whereas airline pilots are the opposite, receiving a lower rate due to the fact they usually drive to an airport and back. Interestingly, police officers, nuns, paramedics and insurance underwriters, of course, receive a good rate due to being seen as more careful drivers.
This is bullshit.
So if you're thinking about celibacy, grab a cheap insurance quote while you're at it. The car itself. There isn't much shocking information on this one. The faster the car will trigger a higher insurance quote, the better safety rating, the cheaper the insurance, the larger body size of the car, which is safer, cheaper insurance. The age of the car, the newer gets a higher insurance quote. This is due to old cars just being scrapped when in an accident, and half the people not even bothering to mention to the insurance due to the bastards ripping you off for the excess, and then the risk of losing your precious no claims bonus. Likelihood of theft. If your car hits in the top 10 likely to be stolen spot, oh boy, get your pants around your ankles and just bend over now. If you live in the UK and you own a BMW X5, congratulations, you own the most likely stolen car in the UK. You're getting fucked on your insurance, pal. Driving habits. These are also pretty self-explanatory. If you have any driving convictions, tickets, or made any previous insurance claims, you may end up feeling just like Andy Dufresne out the Shawshank Redemption.
I'm gonna open my fly, and you're gonna swallow what I give you to swallow.
Insurance companies state that if you have a less yearly mileage in the car, or you park the car in a garage, it will significantly affect your premium. But I've been in a situation where I've considered cleaning out my whole garage just to pretend I park in there overnight, and the premium rate didn't drop a penny. So, in conclusion, if you want the cheapest insurance quote possible, it's simple. Move to the middle of nowhere, become a nun, who's also married, wait till you're middle age, buy the biggest people carrier you know of, and you're in for a great deal, mate. Subscribe.
I'm left behind, obeyed the line, but always a goal.